As you might be aware, for the past 20 years or more, I have been conducting puppetry and stop-motion animation workshops at international schools and universities around the world. That is, of course, until COVID shut down our entire operation. But I'm very pleased to announce that I am relaunching our international live school workshop tours. But as well as live, for a long time I've been requested to produce online courses. And I'm proud to let you know that our first Introduction to Puppetry course is finally live and launched this week. The great news is it's on a special discount for the first 4 weeks only. Instead of the usual course price of $199, for the next 4 weeks you'll only pay $99 for the entire 10-lesson course. This includes 10 videos and the downloadable notes for each lesson. The course is aimed at teachers, students, therapists, performers, and artists alike, and it's subtitled in English, French, German, and Spanish, and it offers a look into 8 different puppetry techniques and demonstrates how each technique works. If you would like to learn more about a specific puppetry technique, I shall soon be offering more advanced courses into design and construction, as well as manipulation and directing for both stage and screen. As this is a beginner's course, you won't require any previous puppetry experience to participate and enjoy the techniques shown. But it should certainly whet your appetite for further more advanced puppetry courses, which will follow soon. I look forward to seeing you all on the inside, and I'm available to answer any questions you might have. So register your interest today on our website, puppetryfilms.com, or contact me direct for live workshop tours, either in puppetry or stop motion.
History in the making. So the story goes.